So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng pangalan or name sa ating TikTok account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, para makapagpalit tayo ng name sa ating TikTok account, unang-una is kailangan updated yung app na gagamitin natin. So after ma-update guys, i-open lang natin yung ating application or yung ating account. Then after ma-open, pumunta lang tayo sa pinakang profile or timeline ng ating TikTok. Then mula dito sa ating profile guys, hanapin nyo lang yung edit profile na nandito sa upper left corner. So tap lang natin yung edit profile. And then dito guys sa edit profile, hanapin nyo lang yung inyong name. So nandito siya sa about you. So tatap lang natin yung name natin. And kung makikita nyo guys, pwede nyo nang palitan yung name na gusto nyong ipalit dito sa inyong current name. So sabi dito is pwede nyo daw palitan yung inyong name once every 7 days lang. So once a week lang daw kayong pwedeng magpalit ng name dito sa TikTok. So palitan na natin yung name. So ayan guys, tinanggal ko lang yung aking last name and ito lang yung binago ko. So ayan guys, after nyong mapalitan yung inyong name, itap na natin yung save. And dito guys, i-confirm lang natin. So may reminder dito na once a week lang daw tayo pwedeng magpalit ng name or once every 7 days. So tap natin yung confirm para ma-confirm. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, napalitan na ng display name or profile name yung aking TikTok account. So ayan lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng pangalan sa ating TikTok. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.